A fun little one here with the thread the needle, plane shifting it up over the head, so it's flat over the head, and then either tapping the right one and going to counterclockwise, or bringing it up flat across, or over the head rather, and tapping the left one and going to clockwise. When you bring it to the in position, come all the way back, so bring your elbows closer to your side. And then also stand up more so that you're not chasing the thread. Let's try this. We'll do this variation. Start with the butterfly, just the butterfly, and plane shift the butterfly up over your head, and then turn that into the thread the needle. So we'll start with that. So you're just in an overhand butterfly, and then you slide it up, you slide it up, you slide it up, you get it flat, get it close and flat, and then go into your thread the needle. And then from your thread the needle, keep your right hand up there and take the left one down and tap it on your hip or your butt or your thigh. And then what we're going to do is turn it into the clockwise corkscrew. So you plane shifted your butterfly up over your head. You turned that into the thread the needle, or you could just leave it as a butterfly. Then take your left hand, swing it around, and tap somewhere. So it changes direction to clockwise. Then you bring it up over your head as you go into the clockwise corkscrew. If you're in a butterfly, you take your left hand, you tap, and you come into the corkscrew. When your right hand spins here, your left one will come around the outside and tap on the left side. So you're going this way, it'll come around and tap. Going this way, it'll come around and tap. You're going this way, it'll come around and tap. So you're going, if you look up at it, it looks clockwise. You come around, you tap, switch direction, but don't keep it over the head. You go into the corkscrew. And the whole time, the right hand does the same direction. You just change it from going just up here over your head to the corkscrew. So from up here over your head, tap, and then corkscrew. The right one's really easy. Just start with your butterfly and bring it up over the crown of your head. And then you're going to take your left hand, come around, tap, and go into the clockwise corkscrew. Get back into the butterfly. Keep the right one there, tap the left one, and hold it there for a second. Just hold it there. Now, visualize your clockwise corkscrew. Bring your right arm down or your left arm up at the same time so you can go into it. You're in the butterfly. Tap the left one and just hold it there. The right one's spinning. You're in the butterfly. You keep the right one spinning and tap the left one and hold it there. From there, you're going to bring them into the clockwise corkscrew. So you're here. The left one tapped, you come into the clockwise corkscrew. Okay, you're in your butterfly. The right one's